Watch you crazy cats and welcome to Dazzle Rebel Rides. Now mark the date, Tuesday, October the 29th, in the year of our Lord 2019. Because today is a day of monumental firsts. Number one, Mrs. Rebel bought her brand new Icon Series Scout home for the very first time, and you know what that means, folks. It basically means that we're going to see a lot more of Mrs. Rebel in future vlogs, so that can only be a good thing. Number two, this is the first vlog that I've recorded entirely on a cell phone. This is my brand new Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus, and I'm just giving it a bit of a whirl, and hopefully if this turns out okay, maybe some future vlogs will be using this as well. Number three, what was number three again? Something else happened today, didn't it? What was it? Oh yeah, some company called Indian Motorcycle, they released some kind of new model, something like that. Roll intro. Yes, hello folks, and thanks for tuning in to my second vlog, not only of the week but also of the day. If you missed the vlog earlier, then basically it's my October bonus video, which I suppose makes it it's a double bonus feature. Anyway, the video earlier was basically wishing you guys a happy Halloween with a spooky story, and if you fancy watching that, then there should be a title card somewhere around about there somewhere. If you click that, then you can have a look at that now. If not, stick around and we'll talk about the brand spanking new Indian Challenger. So this is my first look at this frankly stunning machine. There will be three models: the Challenger, which is the base model, the Challenger Dark Horse and the Challenger Limited. Now if you're in Europe and possibly some other regions around the world, then chances are then you'll only get the Dark Horse and Limited versions of the bike, but do not quote me 100% on that, because you need to go and speak to your dealer and get the real lowdown from there. So starting with the baseline Challenger, well, to quote Indian Motorcycle themselves, it all starts with the Indian Power Plus engine. This is Indian's first liquid-cooled large displacement motor at 1769 cc's or 108 cubic inch if you want to go all Imperial Stormtrooper on me. But what you want to know is how much power does this brand new V-twin deliver? Well, I can tell you that Indian claim 122 horsepower and 178 newton meters of torque. Now this is mated to a 6-speed true overdrive transmission with clutch assist and hydraulic lash, valve lush adjusters and camshaft tensioners for a low maintenance, reliable power plant. The 60-degree V-twin has overhead cams and 4 valves per cylinder and yada 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 yada, if that's all technical speak. And to be honest, we like to hear it, but for most of us, unless you're an engineer, it goes right over our heads. And you might be an engineer, but you're not, and neither am I. So let's disperse with that. If you want to read the full specs, go over to indianmotorcycleworld.com and the full Indian Motorcycle press release can be found there. What may be of more interest to lay people such as you and me, but not you because you're a mechanical engineer, is first of all the three riding modes, and that is standard, rain and sport. There's also some premium touring amenities such as electronic cruise control, which we've sort of come to expect, full LED lighting, ABS, keyless ignition, electronically adjustable powered windscreen, and 68 litres of weatherproof storage in those tasty saddlebags. That's panniers to us Brits. As far as handling goes, well, suspension is taken care of with hydraulically adjustable Fox rear suspension and upside down front forks. Stopping power comes courtesy of race spec radially mounted Brembo units. For the Dark Horse and Limited versions, you get all of this alongside Indian's all new Smart Lean technology, which uses a Bosch IMU to aid cornering, with dynamic lean sensitive traction control and ABS, along with drag torque. Now basically what that means in layman terms is if you go into a corner and you trash it, you're going to be a bit of a numpty, because you've got all those electronic aids to help you go through as quickly and safely as possible. These models also feature the Indian Ride Command system, which if you've already ridden the Chieftain or Roadmaster, you know is bloody awesome. Now there's plenty of accessories in order, and don't quote me on this, but they look like they're interchangeable with the Thunderstroke bikes. Check with your Indian dealer first, but I'm pretty sure if you have a look at these grips, floorboards and general cycle parts, then at least by the pictures they look like they're exactly the same as you can get on the current heavyweights. If this is true, then it's a very shrewd move by Indian Motorcycle, because it's a way of cost cutting without being cheap. Why redesign the wheel when the wheel is already fantastic? Okay, I'm not suggesting that the wheel on the Challenger is the same as the other heavyweights, but it's a metaphor, okay? You get me. So as for colours, the Indian Challenger Dark Horse is available in Thunder Black, Sandstone Smoke and White Smoke. The Indian Challenger Limited is available in Thunder Black Pearl, Deep Water Metallic and Ruby Metallic. What colour would you go for? Let's have a quick poll. I'll tell you what, just up here there'll be another little click thing right up there. There you go. Check it and let me know what colour you would choose. Really? Okay. And that is my first look at the Indian Challenger. What are your thoughts? Let me know down in the comments. Now, if you're looking for one of the very first test rides, then alas, I am not your guy. Realistically, I probably won't get to test ride one here in the UK until spring 2020. But I would place a bet that other channels in the Indian motorcycle world, such as Brandon Picasso, the Bearded Bobber and Meatball Rebel, will probably get there before me. So if you ain't already, I dare say in the coming weeks they're going to get to ride these bikes. Go check them out, subscribe to their channel and get the lowdown from them. I'm sure they can do a great job with that. For now though folks, thanks for tuning in once again to Dazzle Rebel Rides, and remember, as always, if you like to ride, be sure to subscribe. Hit that notification bell down there somewhere, and it's down there somewhere. And I'll see you next time. Bye.